how does counseling or the therapy sessions they work to maintain the mental health?
The thing is that most counseling and therapy sessions are client centered and not therapist centered. This is one very big misunderstanding I think that people have in all over the world, but certainly in India, in my experience, is that as a therapist, I decide how and when and how many sessions and how therapy is going to help you. But actually, therapy is more about you as a client. So you are the one who has to decide how it's going to help you and how many sessions you need and what sort of problems you want to focus on. So the thing is that right now with the current pandemic situation, there are many ways that therapy can help you. Right from, let's say, having one session just to discuss, okay, maybe some problems you're having at work, you're afraid for your job security, you're afraid for your salary cuts, you're afraid of something going wrong with your family members. So even one session can help in such a case. But if, let's say, for example, you are struggling with more deep rooted anxieties which are coming to the surface because of this pandemic, something that you didn't deal with before in the past, but it was just suppressed or it was camouflaged behind other things like distraction and work and friends. Now, because you're not doing anything, you're sitting at home, maybe those anxieties are coming to the surface. In this case, you can take more sessions and you can have regular contact with therapists talking about the pandemic, and not just the pandemic, but things that may have happened before, which are now increasing your anxiety because of the pandemic being there right now. Every day, every weekly sessions or regular sessions can basically help you to figure out what's happening in your life, and it will help you to compartmentalize problems. If you have a jumble of problems going on, like you have some work stress, but you also have family life, you can basically, the therapist can help you to segregate those problems. And Vivek, I want to stress on the point here that therapy is a process, so you have to give it time to work. If it is something very very basic that you're struggling with, maybe 1 or 2 sessions is enough, but in my experience the minimum that anyone needs is around 12 to 15 sessions to start seeing some effect. So that means if you're doing weekly sessions, that means around 3 months. So I would request everyone to keep this in mind, that therapy is a process and it's not going to be an instant fix or an instant answer, but definitely it can help you to figure out a lot of what is going on in your mind.